Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Let's check a new recipe today, which is aloo samosa, the potato samosa which we make in India, right? So let's check out the recipe.
Add 3 teaspoon of oil. Add some peanuts. Fry it for some time in high flame for 2 minutes, and then once you see the color coming, remove it to your plate. Add 1/4 teaspoon of cumin seeds, then mustard seeds. Add 2 green chili. If you want more spicy, add more. Add 1 onion finely chopped, 1 ginger, 1 inch ginger, and then fry it for 2 minutes in high flame. Add salt as per taste. Add a pinch of turmeric powder. Do not add more turmeric powder. Then cook it for some time. Now add 3 potatoes. I have cut it into small cubes. I have not removed the skin. So without removing the skin, just cut it into small cubes. And 1/4 cup of frozen peas, and then cover it and cook until the potatoes are done. Okay. Stir every 2 minutes so that it will not stick to the pan. Add the peanuts now after few minutes, and then again cover and cook, and then again stir it for some time in between. Then add the kasturi methi, the fenugreek leaves, half teaspoon at the last, and just check by breaking a potato. If it is breaking, then it is done. So mix everything, switch off the flame, and let it cool down. Then meanwhile make the dough using maida. 2 cups of maida. Salt as per taste. Add 2 teaspoon of oil. Oil is required here, so just add oil, don't forget it. Ajwain, add a half teaspoon. Mix everything once. So oil will make it crispy here. Add warm water little by little, or regular water also is fine, and knead it well. Make a tight dough. Apply little oil on the top and knead it again for another 2 to 3 minutes. Now keep it aside, cover and keep it aside, and take like roti size dough in hand, and apply little bit of oil. Don't add more of oil, very little, otherwise you can just add the dust with the flour also. Then just roll it like roti. Just roll it like half size of roti, this much, a little bigger than the puri, and divide it into half. Next apply water in one side, and then seal it the way I'm doing it. Just do it in the same way. Seal it. If you apply more oil, then the sealing is not staying properly, so make sure you are not applying more oil while rolling it, otherwise you just add the flour and roll it. And now add the potato masala. 2 teaspoon of masala will be enough. Now again add some water on the edges, and again seal it well. Make sure the sealing is proper. Otherwise if it is open, then everything will come out in the oil. Now heat the oil for frying. Make sure the oil is not hot, means it's not very hot. It's make it hot in a low flame. Keep the flame low. Add the samosas now. First fry the samosas in low flame for 3 minutes. Keep flipping and fry it. If you make the flame high, then the bubbles will come. So first fry it in low flame, then bring the flame to low medium, and then fry it for another 5 minutes. It will take around 8 to 10 minutes to be done completely, and keep flipping. Now last, give it a high flame and fry it for another 3 minutes so that the color will come. So now it is ready, so you can just remove it to a plate and let it cool down and then enjoy the samosas. The samosas are really crispy, you can just hear the sound. I'm just checking it and then cutting it. It's very hot, so just wait it for some time for let it cool down and then just enjoy the samosas. It's very yummy.
So the samosa is very yummy. Do try it at home and let me know how it is coming out. It's very tasty. My son, 7 years old, he's telling this is nuggets. He's not knowing that this is samosa. Thank you everyone for watching the recipe. Do check out more such yummy recipes in my channel. If you like the recipes, please do subscribe and like so that I'll get encouraged and make more such yummy recipes. So thank you everyone for watching. Do like and share.